Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Yeastar S50. Start by connecting your PC to the same network, then discover the S50 IP from DHCP or console. Open the web GUI in your browser and log in using the default admin credentials. Change the admin password immediately, set a static IP if needed, and save settings. These first steps secure access and prepare the device for detailed configuration. Configure network settings carefully so calls stay reliable. Assign a static IP or reserve the DHCP lease to avoid address changes, and set gateway and DNS to match your network. Configure VLAN for voice traffic if using CoS and enable NAT or routing based on your topology. Apply gateway and firewall rules to allow SIP and RTP ports. Save and reboot if prompted to ensure all changes take effect properly. Next, we set up SIP trunks and extensions for real calls. Create extension accounts with unique ID and strong passwords, then add your SIP trunk using provider host, port, and authentication details. Configure codecs and RTP ports to match your provider recommendations. Set inbound routes to direct incoming numbers to extensions or hunt groups, and define outbound rules so users can dial externally. Test with a soft phone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.